Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about our SDKs. So, first of all, why use the SDK instead of the API? Well, for two reasons. The first one is, with the SDK, you can communicate with real-time features through WebSocket. The second one is what we call the offline mode, meaning you can still send requests to Kuzzle while you are offline. Then those requests will be sent to Kuzzle when you are online again. So let's see. Here I am on the documentation. You can see we have a bunch of SDK in a bunch of languages. So let's see. If I take the Java SDK, you can see here I have a bunch of controllers which are the same as the controllers in the Kuzzle API. So let's say I want to do a login. I just have to go on the hot controller, and here you can see I have the login method. So let's see how it is in JavaScript. You can see I have the same controllers, so I have auth and login as well. So let's see our first good feature, which is the real-time. How do I use real-time? You can see here I have a real-time controller. So if I go in it, you can see I have the publish action, which allow you to send a real-time message which won't be stored inside Kuzzle. And you also have the subscribe method, which takes a callback as parameter, and this callback will be triggered once you receive a real-time message. Now, what about the real-time? One thing you have to know is, by default, the offline mode is not enabled in our SDKs. To enable it, you have to pass options to the Kuzzle constructor. So here you can see you have the option which is called autoqueue, which is false by default. So if you want to enable the offline mode, you just have to set autoqueue to true. Then you have a bunch of other options like the queue max size. The queue represents all the requests you will have to perform once you are online again. So there is a max size, and there is also a replay interval. So this option is here to delay your request when it will be played again. That's it for today. If you want to know more about this, you can go on our documentation in the SDK part. If you have questions, you can join the team of Kuzzle on GitHub and ask every question you want. See you later.